Hiya guys, today we're going to take a look at the latest locking wheel nut removal tool from Laser Tools. This kit uses the taper style removal sockets, and whilst it may look like one of our previous kits, it does have a significant difference. To start with, we select the correct size socket to be used. We then place one of the discs inside the socket before knocking the socket onto the wheel. Nice and tight. You can then undo the affected wheel nut or bolt from the vehicle. Once we have the bolt removed, we then want to extract the bolt from the socket. This is where the difference in the kit comes into play. We thread the extractor bolt into the socket and press the wheel bolt out. We'd also remove the collar from the socket should it become detached from the wheel bolt. This part of the process has been designed so that the kit can be used effectively at the roadside as well as in the workshop. Another fantastic tool to add to your toolbox, the Laser Tools 8842.